Morning YouTube, Brock 2/4. Don't mind the messy hair and the messy office. Today is a quick update. We haven't had any content up in a while. We've been super busy with work. Oregon winter, which means no riding, Mr. Odie. I have no PC. I sort of do. Mine's been given to the wife, which you can imagine. That means something new needs to go there. So that is the point of today's video. Is we're building a new PC today. I've been spending a lot of time over there doing a lot of reloading for 223, 308, 30.6, 45, and 40. So that's what we've been up to. I do have a lot of B-roll video that I need to go through to get videos up. I've got a few that are almost ready to go. So hopefully here soon, we'll actually have motorcycle content up and not just Facebook updates. So without further ado, let's get into the quick time lapse of building the new PC. Stick around. Alright YouTube, we're actually downstairs now. I'm actually waiting for FedEx to arrive with the case, which means there's nothing I can do. But I figured real quick I'd actually show what is going to be going inside the case, so you know what kind of build we're looking at. And so let me flip this camera around and we'll get that taken care of. How do I do that? Hold on. Alright, so here's the parts. So we're going with the Asus Z270F Gaming. The new i5 7600K unlocked is going in there, along with some Ripjaw's 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM, Kraken X62 cooler. We've got a 2 TB Seagate Baracuda drive here, 240 gig SSD there. And for our video, we are going to be running the Asus Strix Gaming 1070. I love the 1070 series, so this should give us some really good stuff. And of course, power will run with the Corsair 750M. Once the case gets here, we will actually, using this guy, we will build it and we'll be ready to go. Alright everybody, so the case is here. It's over there. ZS340 case. I've prepped pretty much everything, and we'll just go into basically a fast forward of me putting everything together. So I guess cue montage. Alright, sorry about that. Had to actually unbox the motherboard. You can see I went with the blue and the black here. Motherboard's good to go. Got the Kraken on. Obviously the processor in the Kraken comes with thermal paste already applied. Got the RAM installed. And put the shield inside the inside the case, excuse me. Everybody, she's done. Sorry it's dark. I'll lean this back a little bit. Got everything in there. This is the pretty side because I'm not bundling anything up until there's the need for cable management. We'll head upstairs and we'll plug her in and see if she posts to get ready to install Windows, and if that's the case, then we'll go ahead and shut her down, do cable management, and then get ready for the software. Alright, office. Let's see what we got. Power on. Graphics card. Motherboard. Let's see. Here she is. Alright, welcome back everybody. It is the next day. Everything got posted, played a little bit on the new system last night, ran a benchmark once, about 15 minutes, everything looked good. I haven't put the turbo on. The i5 comes 3.8 with the turbo to 4 or 4.2. I'm not remembering off the top of my head. I hadn't had enough coffee. Yeah, so I have to turn the camera around and I'll give you a look at the system as she's running built. Give me 1 second. Alright, as of right now I got the Heaven benchmark going. I've been going for about 15 minutes now. You can see temperatures. Kraken's keeping the CPU nice and cool. And of course the Strix gaming video card is doing just fine as well. He's not doing so hot. He got sick yesterday. We don't know why. We think he ate some fuzz out of one of his bears. That's not a good boy. Anyways, you're not here for Odie or necessarily my benchmarking numbers, but this is her. She's up and running. Have her flashing kind of like police lights. Get it all set up. And NZXT has their Hue program, and then of course Asus has their Aurora program, and then I had some LED lights that I hooked up to the RGB header to flash in sequence. So it's running great. I'm gonna turbo it here soon, and then probably mess around with a little bit of the interior clocking that Asus has. Be fun, some fun software to mess with. So she is built. I have the programs all installed so I can actually make this video, and I should have some new videos out on the channel shortly. See you later, guys.